Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, JBG, that's the ticker symbol for Jamaica Broilers Group. In this case, a trade-in in their shares, and it's a sale. Something that we don't see too much by the Broilers Group in terms of on the JSE, the jamstockx.com, on the corporate action items. In this case here, a director selling just over 100,000 units, 101,765 shares to be exact on Business Live. February 26, 2021 was the date. Next up, Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited here, announcing a new director, appointment of a director. It's Mr. Daniel Chin from Juicy Beef Patties, appointed to the board of directors of the company for Paramount, the chemical company, and a few other business segments, effective early March 2nd, 2021. Now you would recall actually that Juki Chin for a long time was a director of Paramount, so this is an interesting move and probably an expected move by Paramount in terms of going forward and building that brand that they have there at Paramount for 2021 and beyond. Next up, we got Mayberry Investments here. That's MIL ticker symbol, an executive resignation here. The company advises that Mrs. Kion Haynes Burke has resigned from the company as a Group FC, that's financial controller, effective February 24th, 2021. Continuing, GWest Corporation, very interesting here, actually surprising. The company still hasn't been doing as well, but it has been faring better in recent 12 to 24 months in terms of results, whether it's audited results and some of the management accounts or unaudited results posted on the JSE. In this case, a big purchase here, coming in with some support here for the market price, or let's say the market levels of the stock price. A connected party purchasing well over 10 million shares, so that's a big number, 13.39 million shares to be exact, happening in February 2021. In terms of GWest, the company still hasn't necessarily gotten that business model right in terms of bringing out the type of numbers that they wanted to from a board of directors management team, but the numbers are faring a bit better. We'll see what happens going forward, if they're going to pivot this business or what they're going to do from a chairman's remarks, board of directors, managing director, or so forth going forward. Last up, in acquisition news here, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy making an acquisition of an asset. Talk about the company. It's really on a roll, doing some deals in the Caribbean, Jamaica, as well as Latin America, or Central America overall. So effective 22nd December 2020, the company goes on to say, to be very clear on its structure, it does have a complicated structure, that its investment company, that's Caribbean Clean Energy Fund LLC, signed the acquisition. And it's a solar park. It's in El Salvador, and the transaction has been closed, or it closed March 2nd, 2021. And it goes on to say that this facility, solar park, is in operation since January of 2021. It's getting going, talks about the CO2 emissions and so forth, all the good news there for the business. So MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, really on a roll, acquiring assets, per its prospectus, some of the things it said it was going to do, and it is doing this. So good stuff here. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.